Hello guys, this is Ivan speaking here, and today I want to show you, after a very long time, Forex engulfing system robot, and this is version 3, the latest one. This is a very specific robot which you will not find on market. Maybe you will find, but not such a sophisticated version. So you know what is engulfing. Maybe if not, I will explain. Engulfing pattern trading is trading when you have two candles are in the pattern. First one is this, and second one, mother one, let's say, is the, you see now, I just have to break out to stop this, because extra advisor will put buy stop and only if it will break. Yes, you see now it is break this line and the trade is open. Automatically we have take profit, and we have here we have stop loss, all automatically set up. So you just put this to your charts and everything will be done automatically, because it's very hard to watch all your charts and wait for engulfing pattern, and I will explain from the beginning. So this is engulfing candle here. This one, and the rules are that this second one must fully engulf previous one. So you see the body and the wicks are smaller, are engulfed by this one. You see, this is lower and this is higher than previous one. But this is not the only rule. If we want to use this, it would be too easy if we only use that it is engulfing the previous one. So we have another rules to be confirmed. So the second one is that this engulfing candle must be the bigger one in the latest 10 candles. So it is the bigger one in last 10, and the lower part this week must have a very big space on the left. So it means there is no lower price action recently, not recently, but minimum also 10, 15, 20 pips. You see 20 candles, there is no lower price action here. So this is a momentum when we are waiting for the trade, and the trader, the robot, will put buy stop here, and when the price will break a few pips over this high of this candle, this is engulfing candle, then the trade will be open, then you can trade, and all that is automated. So if you open 10, 20 pairs, you will really have to watch non-stop looking for this setup. So it is not only that this is engulfing previous one, this is engulfing pattern, but this candle must be higher, bigger than latest minimum 10, and the space on the left means that this is the lower point, and this is the sign of possible breakout, or not breakout only, but the change of the trend. So you see now the robot has opened the trade, and it is 1 hour time frame, we expect that it will go up. Yep. So everything is set up automatically. You guys really don't have to, let's say, watch your charts. And if you follow the Forex trading, if you are maybe experienced trader, you would know that this engulfing system pattern is one of the best, most effective trading patterns ever. But you will not have many of them, but what you will have, it will give you advantage and you will make money. So you can use it on all time frames. The best is higher time frames from 1 hour to 4 hour or daily. Let's see, this maybe we'll find some here. You can use it on indices, on stocks, on oil, everywhere you want to trade, gold. So many possibilities. If you open many pairs, you just wait, you just put this on your chart and that's it. So we have now, I'm happy that the trade was open just now when we have a video. You have a properties here, expert advisor. This is interval pips. This means how much over this it should go to from this pattern, then the trade must be open. Risk percent, 3%, automatic take profit, automatic trailing stop. Everything has been automated here. Magic number, slippage, expiration order. So it means that here we are on 1 hour. That means that if the trade is not open after 2 candles, after 2 hours after the pattern, then the trade is not valid anymore. So if we don't have a trade after 2 candles, after 2 hours, because it is 1 hour time frame, then it will be stopped. This is stopped. So you can put any time you like. I put for one hour time frame, I put 2 candles. For 4 hour, maybe you will put here 8 hours. For 15 minutes, you can put, I don't know, 30 minutes. But 2 candles, this is what I'm using. This is set up what should be minimum size of this candle and the maximum size. So if the candle of pattern candle is very low, this is not a good sign. We need at least minimum 10 pips, but not bigger candle than 75. This is standard settings. You can set it up if you want. This is not important for trading. This is something inside the robot. So this is guys, unique system on market. You will not find it anywhere. So I think even it is the only one. Everything automated, just install and go. Very high accurate for Forex, but for all other assets, stocks, indices, cryptos, you will get 2 licenses and updates for life. So I didn't have this for long time. showing it to you. By the way, you can click here this video and see a live trade and all explanation. So always, guys, if you want to find out more about any of these systems, or the best you can see on web page video. You can click here and you will be watching the rules, everything, how to use it. So due to this, I'm offering a 100 euro bonus. So the price for this is only 169 in next 24 hours. 169, and the next gift you will get if you buy it is 4 licenses, not 2. Usually it is 2 for all my products. It means 2 licenses that you can use on 2 MT4 account numbers. You can choose demo account number, live, but now you will have 4. So maybe you will like to trade to practice on 2 demo. Now you can get 4, and maybe you will trade live on 1 or 2 or 3, but 4 licenses, any live or demo you can get. So 169 and 4 licenses. This is going very slowly, of course. It is 1 hour. I can inform you maybe now. Here it is 10 a.m. I can maybe show you in 3, 4, 5 hours how it finished. So this is it. This is Binary Reaper. This is Omega Turbo Trader. This is Trendy Trader. And also the second promo in next 24 hours is according to requests of many traders, because 2 days ago we had a promo about it and it was valid only 1 day, so many of you didn't notice it. So I'm giving you again the chance. So this is on the same chart. You see indicator V-20 plus, and you see the expert advisor. You can use it on all time frames. I explained the rules in previous video, or you can go to my web page and you will find out also how to use it, the rules, everything. If you cannot find something here on the main page, you just you see it's here, V-20 plus. Just click here, you will see it is 3-step confirmation system for all time frames. Everything is automated, so you will trade only when you have 3 steps confirmed. First step is forget about big arrows, just wait small, not repeated arrow. So when you get here this arrow, this is not repeated, you need 2 more confirmations. First one, that if you are selling, the price must be under this support zone. And this is very important, you must have this confirmed also with red, and this line must be red also going under the 0. Only then you will enter the trade. For buy, opposite, you just wait and you will be notified by alarm, by pop-up message. So you wait for not repeated arrow, you check, yes, you are under the resistance line, support or resistance up. To be easier, you will see the big arrow. This is telling you that you are in buy zone. So here you have this, you have buy zone, because you are over this, and you have this blue, and you can trade. You will keep trade, always if you trade manually, guys, until this is blue. When this went red, you will exit. This is one solution. Second one, when you see first opposite arrow, small or big, you exit. But what is okay, fantastic with this, in one trading session, let's say in buy zone, you can trade many trades, but only buy. Sell not, because you are in buy zone. So you will buy here, exit here. You will buy here, exit at the first opposite arrow. This is here. Here the trade is still active. Let's see what we have. The trade is still active. So 610 pips. Why we are not exiting this? Because this is red and we don't have opposite arrow. So guys, it's very easy to use, but fantastic possibilities. See this on a daily trade. Let's just check how many pips with this trade you can make. Everything confirmed. Buy zone, arrow, this blue. 700 pips. Then you get another signal until the opposite arrow. 1000 pips. That's altogether about 2000 pips. Oh, this is fantastic. This is still active. And from here, another 9. So almost 3000 pips with one, let's say, trading setup. This is daily, but you can use it on stocks. You can use it on indices. You see gold. You see the latest trade of gold. Doom. 1300 pips. Just like that. Super easy, super powerful. Of course, that the best results are on higher time frame. But if you maybe want to use 15-minute time frame or 5-minute, yes. But I don't advise 1 minute, maybe is not. So, because on higher time frame you will have less noise, you know. So this is only, when you see this is only Expert Advisor, and the price is 279. This is only Expert Advisor, and this is Indicator and Expert Advisor. Today only more, guys, to help those traders which were late for my yesterday promo. Again, I am giving it for 159. And you will get both Indicator and Expert Advisor. So 159, it is a price of only Indicator. But you will get both. So let's remove. So this is only Indicator. In that case, you will have to be at your charts waiting for setups and in right moment open the trade. If you will having let's say both, then you don't have to worry about it. Everything will be done by software. So both for 159, more today. So you have more 11 hours from now to get it. And you will get as a gift 4 licenses also. So guys, it is this system, when we only have indicator without this, was the best selling system ever. But now, not now, but from last year we have also a robot. So this is automated version of V20 plus indicator. If you want to trade manually, you need only indicator. You wait here, you will enter the trade. Boom. Very easy. You wait here, you will enter the trade. Boom. Here you will enter the trade. But if you don't have time to be at your computer non-stop and you open many pairs, then you need a robot. The robot will do all the job instead of you. So one more time, down here in description box you have a promo code. Send me promo code and you get both indicator and expert advisor 159, 4 licenses. And this is the last time that I am giving it at such fantastic promo offer. Practically you pay indicator and you get this for free, and here 4 licenses. Have a nice day. Bye bye.